Today I am going to show you how to create children's worksheets in Canva. Look at these. All of these are made completely in Canva. No expensive tools, no design skills needed. And once you learn this method, you can create any type of kids worksheet you want. Let's get started. All right, click on the plus icon to create a new design. Search for Worksheet and choose the portrait size. First, let's add a background. Go to Elements and search for Kids Background. You can explore both graphics and photos. Let's open Photos and find a good background. I don't find any good background here, so let's go to Graphics. I'll choose this one. Next, right-click on it and set it as the background. Now, press R on your keyboard to add a rectangle. Adjust its size. Leave some space at the top because we'll add the title there later. Go to Colors and change it to white. Next, go to Stroke and add a thin border around it. Then, make the corners slightly rounded. Now, inside this white area, let's add our animals. Go to Elements and search for Animals. You'll find some really cool graphics here. For example, I'll add this parrot. Make it smaller and place it at the top left. Now, add a few more animals the same way. Once all the animals are added, select all of them, duplicate it, and place the duplicate on the right side. Now, shuffle the right side animals so they are in a different order. Now, press C on your keyboard to add a circle. Make it smaller and place it beside the first animal on the left. Change its color to black. Now, duplicate it and place one beside each animal on both sides. Now, if you want to make it a little harder for kids to recognize the animals, here's a simple trick. Select the first animal on the right side. Go to Edit, scroll down, and under Duotone, select Custom. Change the shadow color to light gray and add the same color in the highlights too. Now the animal is harder to recognize. Next, right-click on it, click Copy Basic Style, and paste it on the other animals on the right side. Now let's add the title. Press T on your keyboard, place it at the top, make it bigger, and center align it. Type Draw a line to match the identical picture. Let's change the font. I'll choose More Sugar. Next, go to Advanced Settings and reduce the line spacing a little. Then, increase the size and adjust the position. And our first worksheet is ready. So now let me quickly show you the second worksheet, a tracing lines sheet. Duplicate this page and delete everything inside the white area. Add a text, place it at the top left, and type 1. Next, go to Fonts, and I'll choose Anton. Increase the size. Now go to Elements and search for Tracing Lines. Add this one and place it beside the number. Increase its size. On the right side, I want to add a fruit element. Search Fruit. I'll add a watermelon. Decrease its size and place it on the right. Now, duplicate this row and place it below. Next, change the numbers, swap the tracing lines, and change the fruits too. Now, update the title for this worksheet. Increase its size and adjust the position. Let's change the back mount. Lastly, you can also change the border color of the white area. I'll pick the same color as the background and make it a little darker. And just like that, our tracing lines worksheet is ready. So that's how you can create amazing kids' worksheets in Canva. The possibilities are endless. You can create matching worksheets, tracing sheets, coloring pages, and so much more. Give it a like, subscribe, and comment below. What other kids' worksheets do you want to see next? See you in the next one.